What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J. You have to forgive me. I do not feel good. I did the video. I was filming about 3 times, and each time something different. Like, I really am off. And for the women, you already know what time it is. It literally is. And I feel 100% down. And I'm trying to wake myself up and so please stay tuned, and you're gonna see all the mess that I made that I was trying to do. So think of it as a bloopers reel and just see what it is. I just couldn't take it. Like, I tried, and I'm gonna show you what I did. I came out with this. That took forever and a day. Then I went ahead and did this. And I'm just gonna show bits and pieces of what everything went through, and just thank you so much for being patient with me. And it's only day 5 and I feel so crappy. And the video, I'm trying to be upbeat, but the pain kicked in and I'm like, oh gosh. So thank you so much again. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe below. Yeah, please, if you're not already subscribed to my channel, subscribe and hit the bell notification so you can stay tuned for the rest of my days on this 30-day challenge. Thank you so much. Later. And this is day 5 of the 30-day sewing challenge, and we're gonna dive into my Etsy mystery box. If you have not seen this reveal, I'm gonna link put the link to the video in the iCard, that thing that comes out. You can watch the video and then come right back. But we're going to use some of these fabrics, these quilting pieces, and I'm going to show you how to measure out your 1/4 inch seam allowance, and then we're going to start to sew as much as we can, because technically when filming on my cell phone, I'm only allowed 15 minutes. Shh, stay tuned. So here we have some goodies. Look at this. How about we use this? I think we can use this pink. I think this is adorable. Let's see what else we have in here. Oh, who doesn't love a lifesaver? So now here we go. I want you to grab your marking tool. We're gonna use my cutting. What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J. It is day 5 of the 30-day sewing challenge, and we're gonna use this Etsy mystery box that I revealed. Oh my gosh! What's good, everybody? This is your girl Bella J, and today is day 5 of the 30-day sewing challenge, and I am using this box that I purchased from Etsy. It was a mystery box, and if you want to see this video, I'm going to purchase the link above. You can go check out the video yourself, and if you see that hair, that's Prince. He just does not know when to stop. Say bye-bye. So we're going to dive into here. Hey everybody, this is your girl Bella J. Guess what? Today is day 5 of the sewing. You're going to need a cutting board or a hard surface even. Okay. And I like this pad because it gives you the measurements that you need, okay? Let's keep it real, because I am not a genius here. All right, so we have 6 inches by 12 right here. So now I want to make sure I have my 5 inches, which is fine. Waldo is good. The purple is good, but you want to see what a 1/4 inch looks like, right? So, trying to see what's the best way. Let's use our Nancy Zeman. This is perfect. So you see this right here? This right here is a 1/4 inch, and it says so right here. You see it right there? This piece right here is a 1/4 inch, and this is a perfect tool to utilize. So we're gonna put it down on, we're gonna put the seam right here inside. I wanna see the seam inside the cutting, this line. Or we can, this is what we can do. You can place this on top with the outside seam against the ruler. Let's do this side. You see the seam? right? We need 1/4 of an inch. So I'm gonna use my ballpoint pen. And there we go. We have 1/4 of an inch. Hey everybody, this is your girl Bella J. So today is day 5 of the 30-day sewing challenge, and I figured why not get some pieces and let's start marking it up. And I'm going to show you how I measure it out. Since we want a 6 by 12, we want to maintain its integrity so we can keep growing this bad boy. So we're using this grid as our template, but we also have our cutting mat, which will be our guidelines. So let's face the camera down so you can see what I have here. Shall we? Remember, join your seams together. 1/4 of your seams should be at the edge of your presser foot, not past that. So it should touch right here. It should be underneath. Lower your presser foot, lower down your needle. Cut off your excess threads and then finger press. I love to sew my seam down. That's just me. I feel the need to do that. That's just me. We're going to do purple. Bless you.
Thank you.
My nephew's here. My best friend's son. Please take your time. Do not jump the presser foot the way I do. That is very dangerous, okay? We're gonna do the next one. I think I want to do the stripes. I want to break up the color. Remember, right sides facing each other. If you're uncomfortable holding with your fingers, you can use straight pins. Next, we're gonna do the yellow. Like a mustardy color. Bless you. Rinse. We're listening to BET Soul in the background. Oh, we forgot to seam it down, and then we'll take the measurements. So we have exactly just about 9 inches. So tomorrow we're gonna return doing the rest of this. I'm not gonna touch this. We still have this piece that goes on the side, but we're gonna need 1, 2, 3, where I'm gonna figure about 3.5 inches in total, maybe more or less, to fill in this gap. It depends on what strips I have there, but tomorrow join me where we can choose the rest of the strips to finish off the top part to make it the full 12 inches, and then add this so it can be a complete 6 by 12, and then we can add it to the original piece. How about that? Later.